Well, Martin, you ready for another day of riding?
Yeah, man.
Martin's got his Street 750. Dave's got his CB 900. And we got the 883 Iron. Oh yeah, brother. So Dave has a pink Honda. Don't judge.
Don't judge.
All right, we're at the inlet. What do you think, Dave? Need a longer shirt.
No shame.
No shame. So, we're at the inlet. We got some beautiful sun today. Let's go get some food.
Yeah.
I think we're going that way. Oh, yeah. What do you think, Dave? Pretty good?
Hey, pretty good.
Mark got his skirt steak.
Yeah. Trying to
I
get
got
here
this
today.
big old crab burger. Pretty good. Assateague Island. Beautiful day out today. How's your bike holding together, Martin?
It's gone. It's holding.
So he broke it like a day before. And then he put a Chinese ATV rear master for it.
Working.
Yeah, well, he's got rear brakes anyway. How's it going, Dave? How's the Honda running for you? Beautiful Honda. 50,000 miles, still ticking. Beautiful day to be out riding.
Found ice cream.
Why'd you make me get
What you got there, Martin? What you got there?
diet food?
That's a deep fried Reese cup.
Yeah, it's gonna slap. Hopefully.
It's gonna do something.
Maybe not good.
I mean, I'm sure it'll taste good.
Maybe it won't do something good. Yeah. It's too hot now. We gotta wait.
Just eat it. It'll be fine.
Can't get all the.
If Reese cups weren't good enough, I mean, if you deep fry them, they got to be better, right?
Got to be. Just like melted.
So you got to
chocolate.
eat that, and then you got to go stand by the Ripley's Believe It or Not thing.
Pretty good.
There you go. Who knew? Who knew deep fried Reese cups would be a win?
Yeah, I kind of like Oreos better, but these are good.